Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku Barcelona, February 12, 2023, 2-star Sudoku. 5th row, 7th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 6. 7 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Column D, 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 8. Column I also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 6. 9th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then the column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B and 2nd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, we have 3. Column B also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 1st grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, we have 1. And 3rd row, 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, 10th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4, column J, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will be one of the cells, we confirm later. Then column J, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 9th gate, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3rd gate, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4, 3rd row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 2nd row, column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 4th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, it will come in one of the cells, we'll confirm later. 2nd row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, column G, we get 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 2 and 8, so 2 and 8 can't come this cell, it will be another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4 and 5, so 4 and 5 can't come this cell, it will be one of the 2 cells, we'll confirm later. But the column F, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 3rd row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.